So next we're going to put the indicators, the separators and the indicators on the board with 4 10k resistors. So they're also driven by the drivers, and the resistors go 1, 2, 3 and 4. I normally put the red indicators here and the separators in the middle. Okay, so first of all, you notice on the board there's a little symbol which shows you which the flat side goes on. So flat side is on that side, and the long leg is the rounded side. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold these guys over like this. We're going to pop them on the board so they just hang over the edge of the board. Exactly. So long leg is the rounded side, short leg is the flat side. Okay, for the separators it's going to be the same thing. They've got longer legs, luckily. And again, whoops, and again, long leg goes on the rounded side, short leg on the flat side. These are very difficult to tell which the flat is, so we're going to bend these down and put them roughly in place. Now there's one more thing we want to do, is we want them to line up with the tubes. So let's put a tube in, and they're going to go in one above the other. We'll put a tube in and see how the separators line up with the tubes once they're in. So I think this guy should go a little bit higher, and this one should maybe go pretty much all the way to the top. One leg at a time. Let's make sure that they're aligned properly. I'm going to stretch the back one forward a bit, and I'm going to make the head point in the direction that I want. So both this one, I want it to point more forwards, and this one as well. And the idea is that they more or less have the same height, that they're not leaning over, and we'll straighten this guy up when we've done the other lead. So now these guys are in, we can finally align them exactly how we want them. So this one will twist around a bit more to the front. Very good. Now we put in the 4 resistors. So these are R10, R12, R13 and R11. R11 is here. Okay, we'll pop our controller back in and put the power on. Now we should see there's also startup sequence. One thing to notice there, when all of the 4 LEDs light up, that means that's number 8 and it's time to press the button. There we go. We're good.